Divorce shatters worlds, leaving empty spaces and aching hearts. For Michael and Lily, a new home feels anything but. But what if a simple doorframe or a memory of one can bridge the void? Discover how a father and daughter rebuild their lives, find hope, and redefine home with resilience and unwavering love. This story will show you the power of new beginnings. Michael stood in his new, empty apartment, the scent of fresh paint stinging his nostrils. It was his first weekend alone with Lily since the divorce, and the pressure to make everything perfect felt crushing. He wanted so badly for her to feel at home, safe and loved. Lily arrived, her small hand clutching his. She was quiet, her eyes wide and uncertain as she took in the unfamiliar surroundings. The brand new toys and cheerful decorations seemed to fade against the stark reality of the empty space. "Hey, how about a movie?" Michael asked, forcing a smile. Lily simply shrugged, her gaze fixed on the floor. Each moment felt heavy, the silence amplifying the void where their old life used to be. As twilight descended, casting long shadows across the unfamiliar rooms, Lily spoke softly. "At home. We have the lines on my door." Michael's heart ached. He knew exactly what she meant. The height chart, a living record of their shared history etched into the doorframe of their old home. It was more than just inches. It was a timeline of love and growth. "Yeah," Michael whispered, a lump forming in his throat. "I miss it too." The admission hung in the air, a fragile bridge between their shared sadness. The facade Michael had carefully constructed began to crumble. He couldn't pretend any longer.
"I'm sorry, Lily," he confessed, his voice thick with emotion. "I'm sad too. It's okay to be sad."
A glimmer of hope sparked in Lily's eyes. "Can we make a new one?" she asked, her voice barely audible. "You mean a new height chart?" Michael replied, surprised. "Maybe on paper." Lily suggested, a shy smile gracing her lips. So we don't forget, in that moment, the weight on Michael's chest began to lift. "Yeah," Michael replied, squeezing her hand. "We'll make a new chart. We'll fill it with new memories." Hope bloomed in his heart, replacing the anxiety with a sense of purpose. That night, they spread a large sheet of paper on the floor, armed with pencils and crayons. Side by side, they began to create their new story. Lily carefully drew a line, marking her current height, adding the date with a flourish. Michael added a small drawing of her favourite cartoon character beside the mark. As they continued, the sterile apartment began to fill with warmth, the kind that only comes from love, truth, and the courage to start again. They talked about their favourite memories from the old house, sharing stories and laughter. With each stroke of the pencil, a piece of their history was lovingly preserved. Michael realised that healing wasn't about pretending everything was okay.
It was about walking through the hard parts, side by side, hand in hand.
He learned that home wasn't just a place, but a feeling, a bond of love that could be rebuilt, stronger and more beautiful than before. Bit by bit, their new apartment transformed into a place of laughter, comfort, and shared dreams. Michael knew that their journey was just beginning, but with Lily's hand in his, he felt ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. For every inch Lily grew, their bond deepened, their love blossomed, and their new home became a sanctuary filled with laughter and hope. Every line on the heights chart became a testament to their journey, a symbol of their unwavering love and unbreakable bond. And so the height chart on the doorframe became more than just a measure of growth. It was a map of their hearts, a testament to the power of love and the beauty of new beginnings. Each mark told a story of laughter, tears, and unwavering support, proving that even in the face of change, love could always find a way. They discovered that home wasn't defined by walls or objects, but by the love they shared and the memories they created together. Every new measurement on the height chart marked not just Lily's physical growth, but also the blossoming of their unbreakable bond. The height chart became a living storybook filled with memories, dreams, and the unwavering love that held them together through thick and thin. With each passing year, the height chart stood as a reminder that even in the face of change, love, resilience, and new beginnings were always possible.